Beginner to advanced. How professional careers grow. Introduction. Most people believe careers grow in a straight line. You start as a beginner. You gain experience. You become a senior. And finally, you reach the top. But in reality, careers don't grow in a straight line. They grow in stages. Some people stay beginners for 10 years. Some jump ahead quickly. Some reach senior titles but never become leaders. Today, we'll break down how professional careers actually grow from beginner, to intermediate, to advanced, and finally to leadership. If you understand these stages early, you can grow faster, smarter, and with confidence. Section 1. The beginner stage. Every professional career starts at the beginner stage. This stage includes fresh graduates, career switchers, entry-level professionals, anyone new to a role or industry. At this level, your main job is not performance. Your main job is learning. What beginners often focus on, wrongly. Beginners often worry about salary, job title, company brand. Am I doing better than others? But these worries slow growth. What beginners should focus on, correctly, at this stage, your priorities should be understanding how the organization works, learning basic professional communication, observing how seniors think and act, making mistakes and learning from them. Key truth of the beginner stage: your value is not in what you know. Your value is in how fast you learn. Those who grow quickly are not the smartest, they are the most curious. Section 2. The intermediate stage. This is the stage where most professionals get stuck. You are no longer new. You know your job. People trust you with tasks. This stage usually includes 2 to 6 years of experienced individual contributors, team members who get the work done. What defines an intermediate professional? You can handle routine tasks independently, solve common problems, deliver work without constant supervision. But here's the danger, the biggest trap of this stage: comfort. Many professionals stay here for years because the work is familiar, the salary is stable, there's no pressure to improve. How to move beyond intermediate to grow further? You must shift from I complete tasks to I understand why tasks exist. Start asking, how does my work affect the business? What happens if this task fails? Can this process be improved? Key truth of the intermediate stage: hard work alone is not enough. Understanding impact is what pushes you forward. Section 3. The advanced stage. This is where professionals separate themselves. Advanced professionals don't just do work. They shape work. At this stage, you handle complex problems, guide others informally, see the bigger picture. How advanced professionals think: they think in terms of risk and outcomes, efficiency and quality, long-term impact. People, not just processes. They ask, what is the real problem here? What will happen 6 months from now? How will this decision affect the team? Advanced professionals are trusted managers. Start saying things like, ask them for advice, they'll figure it out, let them handle this. This trust is earned, not given. Key skill at the advanced stage: decision making. Not perfect decisions, responsible decisions. Key truth of the advanced stage: your growth depends on judgment, not effort. Section 4. The leadership transition. Not everyone who becomes advanced should become a leader. And not everyone who becomes a leader is truly ready. Leadership is not about authority. It's about responsibility. What changes at this stage? You stop asking, what should I do? You start asking, what should my team do? Your success is no longer personal. It's collective. Common mistakes new leaders make: micromanaging, doing everything themselves, avoiding difficult conversations, confusing control with leadership. True leadership skills: clear communication, emotional intelligence, decision accountability, developing others. Key truth of leadership: the leader's job is not to be the best. A leader's job is to build the best team. Section 5. Career growth is not linear. Here's a truth most people don't realize. Every time you change industry, company, role, technology, responsibility, you become a beginner again. And that's not failure. That's growth. Strong professionals are not afraid of restarting. They understand the cycle. Beginner, right pointing arrow, intermediate, right pointing arrow, advanced, right pointing arrow, leader, repeat. Conclusion: how to grow faster at any stage, no matter where you are in your career today. Learn deeply, think broadly, take responsibility early, focus on impact, not titles. Careers don't grow by luck. They grow by clarity, consistency, and courage. If you master the stage you're in today, the next stage will come naturally.